great choice today with 2012 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, navigation system, XM satellite radio, heated seats, third row seat, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.